Yep, okay. Again, Lukat fix it. I'm gonna remove that scuff mark right here. Make sure you get a close up because this is really bad right here. See that? I mean, that's embedded in there. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna put some on there like this. And this, you just go, you don't do circles with this, guys. You just go up and down, left to right. It's a cleaner, not a cutter. It'll just clean and remove all the buildup or the light scuff marks, like in this case. Look at that. Okay. Voila. Now here's some deep scratches and stuff. It's easy to fix, guys. I have videos on my playlist. Watch the videos on how to remove light scratches. It's a light wet sanding job. It's a piece of cake. Watch the video. Repetition is the mother of all teachers. Watch it over and over and you'll get it. Right now we just want to make sure you guys understand that Lukat Fix It is a paint cleaner. This will solve a lot of the problems. We're going to clean this spot up right here. It's a big old spot. Fold up the towel in a tight little square like this. It's the best way to use it when you do it by hand. Apply directly onto the towel. And then we just clean away. You don't have to rub hard, just clean the same spot. And all the contaminants, they just kind of cave in and come right off. Look at that. If you have dust streaks on your truck on the window, you can use this too to clean it off. Put some on like that. Guys, what I'm doing right now is very hard to do with the current products over the counter. I mean, it's a big deal. You don't need to take it to a body shop, detailer. You can do it yourself. Look at that. That's gone. Now I'm gonna just clean this spot up right here. And then put this one on like this. And I'm just going to clean up this spot right here. It's funny because I'm removing the scuff marks, but you can see how clearly the paint job, how beautiful it looks because the rest of it's semi-oxidized already. Look at that. Step back, pan back so they can see the whole thing now. So you can see the scuff marks are gone. Lukat Fix It, guys. This will solve that problem. Later, guys. Oh, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. They don't have to drive around with butt ugly paint jobs. This will fix it by cleaning. Seal it up afterwards with the Lukat Easy Wax and you're done. Later, guys.